guys, I am the TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you on how to solve a mirror cube. I suggest learning the normal 3x3 cube first if you haven't yet. This cube is actually a 3x3 cube, but all sides have the same color. It won't be as easy as you think because each and every piece has different shapes and sizes that you have to be familiarized with. Now we'll start with the first layer. I would like to start with the thinnest side. You'll know if it is the thinnest side if the majority of the surrounding edges and corners are taller than the center, like this one, so it will be the thinnest side. I prefer to look at the cube like this so you can see the cube better. We have to find thin edges that will make the cross at the top layer. Now I believe it is a thin edge piece. As you can see, you can simply bring it up so it'll be aligned with the center. This one is also a thin edge piece. What we have to do is to bring this edge piece at the bottom. It is already at the bottom, and find the correct side for that piece. Make sure that the side facing the bottom is the side that should be facing at the top, like this one. We have to find its center. I believe it is. It matches up with this center, so you can simply bring it up. Now we have to find the other two. This one, if it is on the side, you have to bring it to the bottom. Make sure that the side that should be at the top is facing the bottom. Now you have to bring it out of the way, and now it matches up with the center, so you can bring it all the way to the top. Now we have to find one more. Now there is this one at the bottom. Now I'm sure that this piece belongs to the center. Now that it is on this side, you can simply bring it up. It matches up with the center. Bring it all the way to the top and bring this right side back. Next, we have to place the corners. We have to find the thinnest corner pieces again. So this is a thin corner piece. Now, in doing the corners, we can use reasonable judgments on where we will place the corners. I'm sure that this side facing at the bottom is the side that should be facing at the top. Now that it is facing the bottom, what I have to do is to bring it all the way at the back and bring it to the front. Now you can see it at this size. I believe that it belongs to this place. What I have to do is to face this piece, get it out of the way, bring this left side down, bring the downside back, and bring it up. Now this is also a thin corner piece. Now we have to find where it should belong. I think it belongs in here. Now it is facing again at the bottom, but at the back, bring it all the way to the front, reach right side down. Now I'll bring this piece in here, get it out of the way, bring this left side down, bring this downside back, and bring it up. This is also a thin corner piece. Now you should see where it belongs. I think it belongs on this side. Yes, it is. It is again facing the bottom. Bring it all the way to the back, and you should see it at the front. Bring it in here, get it out of the way, bring this left side down, bring this downside back, and bring it up. Now we're down to one last corner piece. So this is also a thin corner piece. It's obvious that it belongs in this place. Now it's already facing us. You should have to get it out of the way. Bring this right side down and bring it back and bring it to the top. If you have a situation wherein a corner piece is at the right place but it's not properly oriented, we'll do what we usually do on a 3x3 cube. We just have to bring this piece down. We should see its face. Bring this side back. Now we have to face this like this. Get it out of the way. Bring this side down. Bring the downside back and bring it up. Now we're done with the first layer. Next, we have to do the second layer. There could be a lot of trial and error again at first. The process will be just the same with the normal 3x3. We have to look around the cube and find for the right edge piece. I'll face this side and I'll try to match an edge piece with this center. Doesn't match. it matches. Now, to know if it is going to the right or if it's going to the left, you have to look at the shape. The length of the shape already matches up with the center. But you have to look at the width if it will match up with this corner piece. If it matches up with this one, it is going to the right. If it matches up with this one, it is going to the left. Now, I think it is going to the right. Now, you have to do this algorithm like in the 3x3. Down prime, right prime, down, right. You have to face this piece. Down, left, down prime, left prime. Let's find another center and try an edge piece. This one, I think it doesn't belong in here. It's too long. This one, it's not. This one also. Let's try it to other centers. Oh, this one, it matches up. Now you have to decide if it's going to the right or if it's going to the left. I think it is going to the left. Do this algorithm. Down, left, down prime, left prime. Face this piece. Down prime, right prime, down, right. Now we're down to two edge pieces. This one in here and this one in here. Now I believe that they are exchanged. So we don't have a choice but to pull out a one piece like what we did a 3x3 cube. If it's on the right place but it's not properly oriented, now we can use any edge piece to bring this piece out of here. If it's going to the right, down prime, right prime, down, right. Face this piece, down, left, down prime, left prime. Now this piece can already match up with this center, so it is going to the left. Down, left, down prime, left prime. Face this piece, down prime, right prime, down, right. Now for the last one, edge piece. Now this piece, it matches up with this center. It is going to the left, down, left, down prime, left prime. Face this piece, down prime, right prime, down, right. We're done with the second layer. I would like to turn the cube upside down, preparing for the third layer. Now, just like in the 3x3 cube, we have to make a cross first at this layer. Now, we have to do the same algorithm. I see that we have a cross. There is no edge that matches up with the center. You see, there is none. We can face anywhere. Know this algorithm: front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Now next to that, we could have this L shape. Now we have to face this side, facing this right one on our front, and this another right on the right. Same algorithm: front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Next, when we have this straight line situation, the two correct edge pieces are on our side and on our left. Same algorithm: front, right, up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. Now we have the cross. We will now place the edges to its proper centers. We have to find one. If there will be correct. There are two, at the front and at the back. We can face either side and do this algorithm. Just like in the 3x3 cube, right, up 180 degrees, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. Now we have two corrects now. They are next to each other. Now we'll do the algorithm again. The two correct edge pieces are on the back and at the left. Right, up 180 degrees, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. You just have to bring this top side back. You might have the situation in edge placement wherein you only have one correct. You have to place that one and do the same algorithm. Right, up 180 degrees, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. If it's not yet still correct, you have to do the algorithm again. Right, up 180 degrees, right prime, up prime, right, up prime, and right prime. Next, we have to place the corners, but not necessarily in the proper orientation. We have to find one just like in a 3x3 cube, but if we don't find one, we can face anywhere. But now this situation, we have one. We have to put it at this side, at the right side, and do this algorithm. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up, right prime, and up prime. If it's still not yet corrected, we have to do the algorithm again. Left prime, up, right, up prime, left, up prime, right prime, and up prime. Now, we can already orient these corners, and I prefer this algorithm so we can orient these corners piece by piece. If you have 4 incorrectly oriented corners, you have to do it on all those 4 pieces. Now, it is the algorithm. I want to start with this piece, right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down. Now don't get panic if the first layer is messed up. We just have to fix this another piece. Don't face it like this. You have to move this piece in here. Do the same algorithm. You just have to do it again and again until you correct the corner pieces. Right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down, and one last on the top. Now we're done. I suggest you watch my tutorial video about the last layer of a Rubik's Cube. You may find faster and easier ways to solve this. And don't worry, I put the link in the description box below. If you manage to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.